Managing visitors just got smarter with Vista. Say goodbye to long queues and hello to seamless, secure check-ins. Meet Priya. She's expecting a VIP visitor. Instead of keeping them waiting, she pre-registers their details, name, date, and purpose, all in under 30 seconds. With Vista, visitors are ready to check in before they even arrive. Manual system? Receptionist calls the host. No answer. More waiting. With Vista, the host gets an instant notification. Approve or forward with just one tap. No calls, no delays, just smart approvals. Now, the moment of truth. Entry time. The old system means looking up names, checking IDs, and more waiting. With Vista, visitors simply scan a QR code or use Face ID, access granted, in under 0.3 seconds. Why touch logbooks when a simple scan or smile gets you in? Fast, secure, and contactless. Need to track visitor counts? Vista does it in real time. Need to remove access? It's automatic upon exit. Zero manual effort. Maximum security. That's visitor management done right. Ready to transform your visitor experience? Upgrade to Vista today. Fast, smart, effortless.